usually a really dodgy driver, but I'm trying to go slow and aim the car so that you can see all the trees and stuff that are down here. So this is just out at Wairakei, which is about 10 minutes north of Taupo. And this is on the Wednesday afternoon, the 15th of February. 2 days after Cyclone Gabrielle went over the whole of the North Island, basically. To give you an idea of where we are 355 metres above sea level here, and we are the centre of the North Island, so we're as far away from the ocean as is absolutely possible to be in a country. We're about 180 miles. Yeah, I don't know. You can look it up, you can Google it on a map and work out how far away we are from the ocean. And yeah, this is how much we got screwed over here. And we've got nothing compared to what's happened up in Northland, Wairakei, and especially over in Wairakei, Napier, Hastings. I mean, we've just had trees down. And I only got my power back on at about 8 o'clock this morning. I mean, like, look at this. And if you're wondering about these steel pipes, these are all taking steam from geothermal bores back to the Wairakei power station. And right in front of me is a forestry block. And that damage, actually right from the main road, those trees up there all look like that. And I mean, look at this over here. So all the fences beside us have all been damaged, so trees and that obviously have fallen a whole blooming lot. As I come down, you'll see the other side of the road